This is the bathroom. And this is, hang on. Alright. Toilet. Okay. And this is my room. I've got my cupboard. In my cupboard. This is the view outside. See that there? That's Mum's car. The new one. And you walk out here. Yeah, the shower, Mum. This is Mummy's room. We got ceiling fans. Mum's cupboard. Window there. One up here. That's the other units behind us. Take you downstairs. Downstairs, not upstairs. Scary. Stairs. That's the front door. That's outside. This will be here, the dining room. And look at the beautiful kitchen. Yeah, this is where everything goes. The counter. That's a sink. A little laundry here has to go there because it's only a unit. This is the lounge room. This is the back garden. That is my new house. It's pretty.